Oh my God. This might be like the manliest thing I've ever sit on. This thing is wide. Cihan, this is cool. It's a lot of power.
Yeah, it's a lot of power.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're at First Motors, a place that we showcased many times, but this time we're not talking about cars. We're actually gonna talk about motorcycles. I don't know motorcycles that well, but I'm curious and I'm interested to learn, and that's why I have my friend here, Cihan, who's gonna show us these incredible motorcycles and tell us his story.
Hi, Enes.
Good to see you, how are you?
Very well. How about you? Welcome back to Dubai.
Thank you. It feels good to be in Dubai.
Thank you.
More importantly, we have these stunning motorcycles. Now, I want to give everybody a little bit of context. I've known Cihan for a little over 4 years, and beyond his day-to-day profession in real estate, I didn't know that on the side, he has this incredible project, and he's building these insane motorcycles, and that's why we have two of them here today.
I have been riding since 2005, and I have been always manifesting to build my custom motorcycle.
Okay.
So I'm lucky that I met with the right talent in Dubai, which is my partner Ertuğrul. The story is, I bought my first Harley-Davidson. It was right after the COVID. Okay. I think it was 2021. Right after that, I started riding Harley-Davidson in Dubai. It was a nice experience for me. And then one day, Ertuğrul called me, and we met during that time with Ertuğrul. And he called me, he said, Cihan, I think you are ready to build your own custom motorcycle. Please come visit my workshop. I bought a bike for you to customize on it.
Okay.
And he called me and invited me to his workshop. So we met, he showed me the bike. After 2.5 hours, I ended up by giving him my direction about how I want my custom motorcycle, and he created 11 for me.
Got it. With these motorcycles, you use a platform and then you build from there. So what's the platform of this motorcycle?
Currently, what you are looking at is the base is a night rod. We took the body and the engine only. Engine specifically designed by Porsche for Harley-Davidson. The V-Roads and the night rods engines was designed by Porsche since 2017, the day these machines are retired. The rest of the motorcycle is 90% custom.
Now expand on the custom.
So custom means each part designed, manufactured, and purchased from different countries.
Okay.
Germany,
Okay.
USA, some parts are from China, as per the design that we built.
Got it.
So we built the design in-house in Dubai,
Okay.
and then we use different talents globally to manufacture the parts, and we assemble and test in Dubai.
Got it.
And deliver.
It is made in Dubai, which is a terminology not many people are used to, saying, but it's quite fascinating. Now I know there are parts of this motorcycle that are handmade and hand-shaped.
Yeah.
What are those parts?
So first let me start with what 11 is.
Yes.
11 is my birthday, and this is my birthday gift to myself. So through 11 we created this monogram, and as you can see, the front fender is handmade by in our workshop. Exactly same design as the monogram. So the rest of the body extended. This bike is 2.7 meter, designed for my body and my length size.
Which brings me to my next question. These are all, well, we have another one on the other side. These are all one-off motorcycles.
These are all one of one, rare. That's what we are trying to achieve all the time, and personalized. We turn emotions into a machine, and this machine creates that beautiful art piece. How we operate, we met with the client. First, we understand the character and we understand the dream. After that, we start designing the dream on a digital platform. Once the dream comes to life on a digital platform, we start manufacturing pieces to bring this dream into life physically. We can use different bodies, but right now we are looking for a night road, an extended custom bike, which is single arm. As you can see here, it's an art piece with a final touch of a titanium exhaust machine, 360 back tires, 200 front tires, all custom motorcycle. It's an art piece into my living room.
Yes.
As you know, Dubai
No, I'm in the first photos you sent me. This was literally sitting in your living room.
Yeah. As you know, Dubai, because of summer climate, I'm parking my motorcycle always in my living room, spending my first 15 and 20 minutes of the day with my coffee, watching the motorcycle, watching 11.
Love it. I love
and
it.
start my day.
Now, can you give us the specs on the motorcycle? Horsepower, weight?
This is 150 plus horsepower.
Okay.
We are looking for,
It's a lot of power.
yeah, it's a lot of power. You have to be careful on it.
Yep.
It's a machine that goes really fast if you want to. Engineering is perfectly done. It's easy to handle. It's a very heavy bike, over 400 kilograms. You need to know how to ride a bike to handle this.
Yeah, you cannot just jump on one of these.
Yeah, it's not something that you can jump and ride. You should have kind of an experience on a motorcycle for a while for you to have a custom motorcycle experience.
Especially like this one.
Especially like these ones. We are looking for 1,200 plus engine,
Okay.
which is designed by Porsche.
How many gears?
This is 5 gears.
Got it. And now everybody's gonna wonder the price of this motorcycle. So let's mention that real quick.
So I think it will stay as a mystery because it's a birthday gift to myself. I can't price it
Okay.
for now. But if you want to build something to yourself, our price point starting from $100,000.
So this is in the range of 100,000.
This is the range of it's as per the build, as per the concept, as per the materials.
Complications.
There are many verticals, details under it that we need to understand you and then come back to you with the timeline and the price. So let's say we design digitally 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay.
We come back to you with a concept, initial concept, let's say, and then we continue to develop on that concept. Once we getting confirmations regarding to the parts that you want to install, we start ordering or manufacturing in-house.
At least getting ahead of that.
Yes. And also we have to find the base bike, which is the most challenging part right now.
Why? You cannot just buy it?
Because the Viros and Nitros are retired on 2017.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. So this
Yes.
is not some sort of a base that you buy from
No.
Harley-Davidson. You're sourcing an older bike,
Yes,
you're shipping it, and then you're taking the chassis from that to build this.
exactly.
It's almost like already an iconic motorcycle, and people want to build their dream on that.
Correct.
Got it.
So building a custom motorcycle like 11 is around, I could say, 3 to 4 months.
Okay, so this is the first bike. On the other side, we haven't even talked about this
Yes.
motorcycle yet. As someone who's not a motorcycle enthusiast but admires these machines, I like the look of this a little bit more. I feel like this is more refined, compact, and somehow this looks a little bit faster. Am I correct?
So, yes, you are.
Okay.
So what I would like to say is, we call this Pardus. We inspired from the African Black Panther. That's why we name it Pardus.
Okay.
So 11 is wider than Pardus. That's why, and 11 designed for my body.
Got it.
So Pardus has its own functions, has its own look, has its own dynamic, and has its own tools for rider to use.
Now, can I say something? Looking at these two bikes, there are subtle differences throughout, right? That then changes the overall feel. But I cannot believe how much of an impact the front headlight makes. It changes the characteristics of the motorcycle immediately.
The design starts from the light.
Or that's what they see first.
And then it continues with the body and ends with the back tire.
And what are some of the distinct differences between 11 and Pardus?
So if you look at 11, you can't see the suspension system on it. It's a single arm machine. You cannot see the suspension system because it's under the frame. If you look at from that side,
That's why
can
you're
see
saying
that.
single arm, because
Yeah.
this side is fully open.
Exactly.
And it's crazy to me that these rims and tires, or I guess that arm is strong enough to take that much abuse from the back tire and still be perfectly aligned and level.
It's a very strong piece that holds the tire by itself. That's why we call it single arm. That's one of the main characteristics difference. If you look at Pardus, you see 2 arms and you see the suspension system on these arms.
Okay, can we talk about some of these fabricated metal pieces here? I mean, this arm, the CNC fabrication, I'm assuming some of the body parts are handmade, but for the most part, you're using CNC
Yes.
to carve and create these custom, really precision pieces.
You cannot find any of these rims on the shelf. These are all custom made on a CNC machine. Plus, all these pieces are designed and remanufactured as per the design of the motorcycle. Because as I said, this bike is 2.7 meter wide, this bike is around 2.3, so there are differences. None of them are same.
And I'm assuming what draws people to these kind of motorcycles is that you're taking an iconic chassis, you're taking a very reputable engine that comes from Porsche that was designed for Harley-Davidson, and then you're putting it together with a manufacturer that can make custom pieces. You're talking about a 3 to 4 month build process.
Yes.
How has it been putting these motorcycles together in Dubai. This is an interesting environment, you know, it's a city that I've been coming for the last 5 years. I'm still learning. I would like to think that I have a good grasp when it comes to real estate and some of the luxury scene, but motorcycles and manufacturing, I have no clue, so please.
So UAE has an access to talent, open for innovation, and easy to manufacture and bring parts.
But it's a country that's really good with global shipping. They know that they have to import, hence they really refined their system when it comes to importing and bringing in parts. And I'm assuming that business infrastructure is really helping you to make sure that you can accomplish your goals, get these parts, and get to work.
Bringing the base bikes from, let's say, United States, manufacturing parts in Germany and maybe some other Asian or European countries or United States, and bringing here, it's especially the rules and regulations makes our life very easy in Dubai.
I mean, it's a complex piece, getting parts from that many countries and then assembling it, customizing it. 3 to 4 months actually sounds pretty quick.
If we have all the parts here, for us to assemble the bike, test, and get approvals from RTA, Road and Transportation Authority in Dubai, takes us maximum 2 to 3 weeks.
Got it.
The rest is manufacturing and logistics.
Got it.
If there will be challenges, it can go up to 5 months or 6 months max.
Got it. So if I were to buy this motorcycle, would this be road legal in the United States?
If you have the license in Dubai, it's road legal almost all around the world.
Got it. So you're building it to the specs of pretty much the rest of the world.
Yes.
Got it. So that's really cool.
So what I would like to say also, for us to able to deliver you a motorcycle in 4 months, you need to get allocation from us. It's very important. Right now, because of the demand, there are lots of riders in Dubai. Number of motorcycle riders are increasing. And right now, our demand is not just coming from UAE, it's also coming from other GCC countries. Plus, we are getting demand right now from Europe, UK. The audiences who get inspired, the content on the social media channels are getting in touch with us globally. That's why we are receiving lots of requests from, let's say, all around the world. And we are trying to respond back to them.
Cool, amazing. I know everybody's gonna ask, can you fire up one of these so we can hear it?
Of course.
Okay.
Which, let me find
why don't we go with yours? They were a little bit loud. I heard them come in.
Be ready for the show.
Okay.
Would you like to?
Sure. That one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Much louder than I anticipated. Okay, can we get a little rev? Oh, wow. Okay, they're definitely loud. When I see these motorcycles, I'm always in awe with these back tires, but I don't quite understand the logic or the utility behind these white tires. So to people out there, I'm assuming a lot of people are gonna watch this, and they're also not gonna be super familiar with motorcycles. So can you give us a breakdown on these back tires?
So this is a 360, let's say we call it the monster tire. It's extremely safe to drive.
You have a lot of coverage.
Yeah, exactly. So if you want a fat ass, 360
You get a 360.
So the largest one is 400. This is one level down, which is 360. And it's easy to drive, handling is so nice, and looks gorgeous from outside.
What are some of the other important qualities, or if I was to be a very knowledgeable motorcycle enthusiast, what other questions I would have asked you? Or I would have want to know about these motorcycles?
First of all, durability. The main question when you build a piece like that, everybody is asking, yeah, is it something to ride or is it something to look?
Yeah.
You have to enjoy every moment on it. Is it comfortable or is it hard to ride? It's again urban legend stories. Yes, it's comfortable if it's the right build for you.
Got it. And I know you've been riding these for a minute now. I believe the first time you showed me 11 was 16, 17 months ago. So you've been working on this and you've had working motorcycles for a minute. And it's funny, we've used this motorcycle. Did we use both of them or just one of them?
No, we used only 11, and there was another one of our clients' bike was there when we were shooting for the penthouse.
For the Opus Penthouse, and I told him, I was like, your motorcycles are next to $4 or $5 million cars, and not one person commented negatively in the video in a sense that they just assume when you have a $4 million car, you have a motorcycle like this, which is a big credit to you, really, and your partner.
Your next step should be you have to start riding a bike.
I know. By the way, I used to have a motocross.
Okay.
So I know how to ride motorcycles.
All right.
And I've used motorcycles with gears. I was going to ask
That's
you,
amazing.
but I don't think I can, not even going fast. I don't know if I should be able to ride it because I have ridden motorcycles.
Okay, our next video is going to be Enes is riding one of our custom builds.
I'll do you one better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, and if you give this man enough credit, he'll probably be okay with me riding one of these, and we'll make another video, and then we'll take it for a little road trip. That'd be cool.
I am in.
But this is amazing. So, Cihan, where can people find you?
So 11 built by Dubai Choppers.
Okay.
So if you look at on Instagram, Dubai Chopper account, you can reach us.
Got it. This is exciting. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
These motorcycles look amazing. Thank you for bringing them to the showroom here so we can shoot them, got a chance to hear them, and hopefully in the future we can do another video.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to that.
Let's do it. So we just finished shooting the video. Mary is like, well, you didn't start the other one. I was like, do you really need to hear? Because it's the same engine, but you know what? Let's do it. I've actually never sat on one of these. Oh my God. This thing is wide. Okay.
Okay, hold it.
Cihan, this is serious, bro. Vitesse değil mi? It's not in gear. I can rev it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh. This might be like the manliest thing I've ever sit on. This thing is just crazy. I guess I've never, oh wow. This is serious. It's a statement.
It looks really good on you.
It's a statement, no. I mean, can I start again? I feel like a little kid again. Oh wow. Cihan, this is cool. This is cool. Next up is you need to make me one of these, and I put it in my office in LA as a podcast backdrop.
Done.
It will look cool.
We will.
Yeah, we'll make that happen. Holy moly. Okay.